Hey, Daniel Parsons, welcome back. This is the shortest video as possible, but I got a real important topic. My team, that you can find us if you type in your web browser, t.me/iTeraCare, and then USA, all caps USA. And that should pull up my customer group where we share about iTeraCare, okay? And I also have an individual team Telegram support chat for people that are interested in the income plan with this business. And that's what we're gonna go over right here. Now, this man, he bought a classic machine back in early March. And then he turned around and signed up his son as a diamond. And so he has not been keeping active with the $30 maintenance that if you want to keep earning in the income plan, you just simply take $30 from your bonus wallet or your register wallet, okay? And do your maintenance. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. But the reason I've got this right here pulled up for you is that I've been in companies that if you don't stay active, they flush this money and keep it in their pocket. This is a powerful opportunity, my friends. I've never seen this before in the industry. Not only do we have world-class technology, and I don't have my machine in front of me right now because I was treating myself with it. But we have a business that wait until I phone him. He's super busy too. He's 80 years old, plays senior softball. Wait till I phone him and tell him, oh, by the way, Herb, you've got $1,008 in bonus redemption wallet. All you need is make one more referral and you got 3 classic machines coming to you. And I have a training video in my Rumble. Just search for Daniel Parsons on Rumble and you'll find me. And so, and then I'm sure he wants to be aware that he could withdraw this direct deposit. I've got a training video about how to do that on my Rumble also. I also have a YouTube iTeraCare training video about that. So I'm going to stop on this one here and I'm going to actually go in and show you how to pay your maintenance. And I need to do it for my wife. And so we're going to sign in here and I'm going to go to navigate, and once this page loads up, while this is loading up, by the way, they are working on the back orders, and I appreciate everybody's patience. This company, iNetwork, is not the only company that's having problems getting orders and fulfillment on manufactured goods in China, okay? It's not just this company. They're all competing for air cargo space. Okay, so in the bonus wallet, we've got enough money to do it here. I want to go here. You see auto maintenance. I want to select, instead of normal maintenance, I'm going to go ahead and pay for 1 month's maintenance, $30, okay? Now here in this field right here that says bonus wallet amount, I want to pull $30 out of here. And then that way, I just come down here and hit submit with the security password and hit confirm. Now watch this. Purchase success. Okay. So that means that my wife can continue to earn money in this income plan for another 30-something days. Okay. And so I want to go down here. And there's my beautiful wife, Patricia. And she is active for 34 more days. So there you go. This is the home page. We'll have more training videos shortly, and I'm doing the best I can in between phone calls and working on building the team in Europe and even Canada and India now. So we are global. Any questions, you need to run them through your sponsor. And now if your sponsor can't do it, have them come up to me. That's it for this training, and we look forward to seeing you again on the next training video. Bye for now.